Hey guys, how's everybody doing? This is Rex again with Online Benjamins. Thought I would give you a little quick tour of the Wealthy Affiliate System today. It's a pretty cool place. It's one of the pillars of my online business. I use it for my hosting, my websites, for training. I learn something every day. Plus the community. I mean, there's people that have been around 15 years or more and making, thousands and thousands of dollars a month that you have access to ask questions. That is just invaluable. You couldn't get it at any price anywhere else. And the cool thing with the Wealthy Affiliate is you can try all this for free. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. You can type in wealthyaffiliate.com. You can go in the bottom of the description of this video and click on links. Of course, that would be cool for me because I might actually earn a commission someday off of it, which is how affiliate marketing works, by the way. But, so either way, and there's a link also to my Wealthy Affiliate review on my blog post, so you can read that if you want to get a little more information. But this is the home page. There's tons and tons of information you can read here, okay? And then this talks about the training and education, the websites, the web hosting, domain, purchasing, the community, like I talked about earlier, just over 2 million members that from all over the world. There's somebody online 24/7. If you got a problem, you just post a question and somebody will help you out. And then, of course, success stories out of us. You can sign up here if you want. The quickest way is after you've gone through and poked around and done the exploring. Just type your email address in and click get started. And it'll take you straight there. It'll take you over to a page like this. Okay. Now this page, of course, I'm already a member, so I've already got my picture and all my goodies, bells and whistles, because I've been a member for a little over a year now. But this quick tour of your back office page, got top here. If you have a question, right here by the Wealthy Affiliate logo, you type it in here, hit enter, it'll show up here. Okay, and the whole community sees that. Everybody that's online sees it, and you can see how many comments or replies people have got to the question. If you've got an answer you want to jump in, you just click on the question, you can go join the conversation. On the right side is live chat. Okay, you can get there by clicking on live chat, or you can just come right up here and start typing your message and join in this. These are people that are just like Messenger on Facebook or something. There's this instant messaging back and forth. They're online right now talking to each other. This little bell means I've got some conversations that I'm either involved in or commented on that somebody else has chimed in. So I can click on that and go see what other people are saying, commenting on. And then, of course, all of that's fine and good. These are posts down here. It's posts from other members. Okay, that's just usually it's either tips, experience they've had, successes they've had, milestones they've reached, just sharing with the community. It's just a good way for everybody to learn, and it's really a cool community. We're all here to help each other. We all support each other. And like I said, there's people that have been here 15 minutes to 15 years or more. There's people that haven't made a dime yet, haven't even got their website started. There's people that are making thousands and thousands of dollars a month. And you have access to everybody and everybody in between. As a free member, you have access to that. Now, free members have some limitations. You get a free website, which is a subdomain of Site Rubix, which is the hosting platform here at Wealthy Affiliate. It's fine, it's free, it'll work, it does great, nothing wrong with it. But if you want to own the domain yourself and be able to take it anywhere you want to go, then you have to buy a domain. And that's, anywhere between 12 to 15 bucks a year. No big deal. Don't have to do it if you don't want to. You can remain a free member as long as you want. And you have access to the community, ask questions, live chats, but you'll be limited to training resources. As a free member, you get lesson 1 of the online entrepreneur certification. You click training, you'll have online entrepreneur certification, getting started level 1. That's what you'll have access to. You click on view course. It comes up this screen. Here's the 10 lessons, and in the first course, Getting Started, and it's very we start you from ground zero. Okay, first course, Getting Rolling, it's going to take you through setting up your account, putting your name, email address, your goals, etc. in lesson 1. Lesson 2, you're going to go through affiliate marketing and various other ways that you actually can make money online. So you understand the process of making money online. Lesson 3, you're going to choose a niche. A niche is just what area of interest you want to explore in online. Where's it? I have one of my first website was fishing, and it's this website here, The Beach Angler. Okay, it's a blog on fishing. All right, that was my niche. You can see all these, of course. Somebody clicks on these ads on the side, I get a commission. Okay, it's called affiliate marketing. So, but you'll get to learn all of that in lesson 3. Which you get to pick a niche. What are you interested in? What can you make money at? By lesson 4, you're actually going to build your website. You're going to build your free website, and by the end of lesson 4, you're going to have your own website live on the internet. Lesson 5, you're going to set it up. You can put in your affiliate disclosure, your privacy statement, just getting the website basics set up. And in lesson 6, you're going to still work on your website, get it dressed up, organized the way Google likes it. I like the search engines, Google, Yahoo, and Bing, what they like to see, so that you'll rank better, so that you'll get more visitors, so that you can make more money. Okay. In lesson 7, you can actually, by the end of lesson 7, you're going to have your first article or articles published on your own website, live and on the internet, worldwide, for free. It ain't going to cost you nothing. You don't even have to have a credit card to get into this program. In lesson 8, it's going to work on navigation around your website. Lesson 9 is keywords, which you're going to get it understanding keywords, how they work, what they mean, which is basically search terms on Google, Bing, etc., the big search engines, what people are looking for, and how to use those keywords then to structure your website and your content on your website to draw those people to your website. The more people that come to your website, the more they're likely to click on one of your affiliate products, or maybe you're selling a product directly. Maybe you have your own products you want to sell. Use those keywords, get them to your website to see your product. More people there, more chances of making a sale. And of course, number 10, just kind of got a recap. I'll congratulate you. Talks about how to plan going forward to add more content, etc. And also, then they're going to try to promote you to premium, which is a cost. Premium costs, if you join within the first 2 weeks, it's like $19 for the first month. And then there's, it goes, and of course it's $49 a month. After that, there's a discount if you pay yearly. You can find all that. I wouldn't even worry about that at this point. Concentrate on the free. Jump in, grab the free training. Even if you just have the smallest interest in it, just come get the free training. Try it out. If you don't like it, you didn't lose a damn thing but a little time. You get access to all the people that are in the community to ask all the questions you want. You'll end up with a website that's live that you can use and keep using and stay a free member if you want. And if you don't like it, like I said, you didn't lose anything. If you like me, you're going to like it. You're going to stick around. You'll be around for a long, long time. In the next video, I'm going to take you through the training resources once you become premium and show you just how much you get for that $49 a month that you can touch anywhere else for that. There is just literally hundreds and hundreds of hours of trainings available to you. In addition, there's these live events. Every Friday, there's another live event. This guy has been marketing online for years and years. He develops websites for other businesses. He has his own affiliate website. He does all the live trainings here, and then they have others beside these. But for every Friday, it's an hour-long live training over his shoulder. He shows you all choosing a theme this week. It was building a beautiful website last week. Every week, something else. And that's all included in your price. That would be a couple of $1,000 for anywhere else you want to go to get that kind of training from somebody with that experience. It's part of the program of being a premium member. But that's like I said, that's beyond. That'll be in the next video. We'll cover some of that. But right now, if you have any interest at all, and if you didn't, you wouldn't be here, I guess. But jump in, click on the link below, get in, give it a shot, try it out, test drive it for a little bit, talk to people, message them back and forth, get in the live chat, talk to some of the other members and ask them about their experiences. And get to know the program and get your website up and try it out. See what you think. You know, I have 2 websites now. I have the fishing one I showed you. I have a online marketing one called Online Benjamins, which you can see here. So part of your Wealthy Affiliate Premium membership, you can have up to 10 websites for your fee. So it really is a good deal. I have 2 websites, and I only pay 1 fee, the same fee as if I had 1. And I could have 8 more if I wanted. So that's just a quick look around, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And I'd love to see you on the inside of Wealthy Affiliate. Just hit me up. I'm Rex10, as you can see. You can message me when you get there. And I'll be glad to help you through any of this. I've been through all these trainings, so I can help. And there's a whole bunch of other folks that'd be glad to help you too. Anyway, have a great day, guys, and I'll see you next time with the Wealthy Affiliate training video.